External battery replace. The battery lock. Tools needed. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Plastic hammer. 3. Battery lock. 4. Striking tool. Step 1. Strike the battery lock to damage it. Then remove the damaged battery lock. Step 2. Remove the screws from the bottom cover and cover plate. Then take off the cover plate and upper cover. Step 3. Strike the lock to damage it, then remove the damaged lock. Step 4. Replace the lock. Then fix it in place. Step 5. Replace the upper cover. Tighten the screws. Install the cover plate. And tighten the cover plate screws. Last, place the battery back in. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced